In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up photos into Google Drive. First, you will need to open the Google Drive app. On your device, locate the app icon, which typically resembles a colorful triangle. Once you tap on it, the app will launch, displaying your existing files and folders. If you do not have the app installed, you can easily download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. This step is crucial because accessing Google Drive is the gateway to backing up your photos. You will be able to see all your files and organize them efficiently. Next, sign in to your Google account. If you are already signed in, the app will automatically take you to your Drive. Otherwise, you will need to enter your email and password. Remember, this step is important because it links your photos directly to your Google storage. If you encounter any issues with signing in, ensure that your credentials are correct. Once signed in, you will have access to all the features Google Drive offers. Now, look for the plus New button. This button is usually located in the bottom right corner of the screen. When you tap on it, a menu will appear with various options. This button is essential because it allows you to initiate the upload process. It is designed for users to quickly create new files or folders, so tapping this button is your next step in backing up your photos. From there, tap on Upload. This option will lead you to the next screen where you can select the specific type of files you wish to upload. It's important to select this option because it directs the app to prepare for the file transfer. Once you tap Upload, you will see further options appear, guiding you through the process of selecting your photos. Next, select Photos and Videos if you are using an iPhone or iPad. If you are using an Android device, simply tap Upload. This distinction is important because it ensures that you are choosing the correct file type for your upload. Once you select this option, your device will display your photo library, ready for you to pick the images you want to back up. Afterward, choose the photos you want to back up. You can do this by tapping on the images one by one or by selecting multiple photos at once. This step is significant as it allows you to curate which images you want to save in your Google Drive. Take your time to select the best moments captured in your gallery. Once you have selected your photos, tap Upload. This action will initiate the backup process to Google Drive. You should see a progress indicator showing the status of your upload. This is reassuring as it confirms your files are being transferred correctly. Finally, wait for the upload to finish. Depending on your internet speed and the number of photos, this might take a moment. Once completed, your photos will be available in Google Drive, easily accessible from any device linked to your Google account. This final step is crucial because it ensures that your precious memories are securely stored and can be retrieved whenever needed. Note that if you want your photos to back up automatically, consider using the Google Photos app instead of Google Drive. By turning on Backup in Google Photos, your photos and videos will automatically save to your Google account. Also keep in mind that Google Photos, Google Drive, and Gmail share the same storage quota. This means managing your storage wisely is essential for keeping all your files safe and accessible. With these steps, you've successfully backed up your photos into Google Drive. Now you can enjoy peace of mind knowing your memories are secure.